Good morning, my NPP peeps. A little late today. The market is about to open. Looks like we're going to open a little bit red. Um, but, as long as we stay above this 10 SMA, I still feel like we grind higher up to this 34.13. Below this 10 SMA, below these fibs, we start closing below here. Right in this 30 underneath this 33.42, I think we quickly fill at least this gap and head on down to the 50 SMA. But as long as this 10 SMA holds, I think the bulls remain in command. This is a bull market, and until at least this 10 SMA breaks down, I believe it will remain so. So watch for these levels to be taken out. Until then, watch for this 34.13. Let's see what GLUU is doing. I mentioned this name yesterday. As you can see, it's just forming a nice little triangle pattern here above the 200 SMA, above the 50 SMA. A bullish pattern. And if it breaks that pattern, I think we quickly see 793. I'd like to sell around 8, at least half. And then we could possibly see 883. Below this triangle and the 10 SMA, which is right here, a close below here, and I'm out. So it's a nice risk reward. The risk is just a few pennies, and the reward, is about 60 cents. So excellent risk reward from here. One more name I wanted to talk about is NVTA. We've been in this name a while. As soon as it closed above the 200 SMA, and it has just taken off like a rocket. I've been looking for an entry point to add, and finally got that with an earnings report last night that apparently underwhelmed, and we're finally getting a pullback. So I bought in the after hours last night, actually right around this level, 23.50. So it could come back down here, test the 21 area, the 200 SMA. But this thing has been on a tear, and I think it's going to continue. They are the Amazon of genetics, and want to make genetics available, your own genetics available to everyone. Going to be a huge business soon. They're the leaders, and really like this name for a long-term play. That's really all I got today. Let's see where the SPX is. Yeah, I mean we're hanging right up here at right around all-time highs. So I expect the melt up to continue, but just watch these levels below the 10 SMA, and if we start breaking below, we'll be reducing longs and then adding back at this 50 SMA, but still looking at this 34.13. All right. Have a safe trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Adios.